Today we are going to discuss a topic which is very relevant, especially in India, because the problem is such bigger. We are going to talk about what are the common complaints or common symptoms for cardiac diseases. Number one, it is chest pain, breathlessness, palpitations, that means feeling your own heartbeat, giddiness, चक्कर आना, swelling of the body, पैरों में सूजन या body में swelling आना, घबराहट. These are some of the common symptoms. Let us focus on each and every one of them. Chest pain. Now, what kind of chest pain is the one where you should be worried about your heart? If the pain is typical, that means अगर आपको चलने पे या walk करने में या steps चढ़ने में या moving on inclination, if you start having chest pain or heaviness, which is more of like pressure over the heart or a weight over the heart, or if the pain radiates to the arm, jaw, epigastrium, back, that is the common cause of cardiac chest pain. Such patient has to be evaluated by a cardiologist. Number 2, breathlessness. Breathlessness means पहले तो मैं ये काम कर लेता था, मुझसे हो जाता था, but अभी मैं थोड़ा भी काम करता हूँ तो मेरी सांस फूल जाती है. This is a common complaint and this is a worrisome trigger. It gives you a warning that something is abnormal and has to be tested. Breathlessness may be because of heart, lung, less hemoglobin, or maybe a psychological thing. Nevertheless, has to be checked. Most importantly, whether it is heart or lung. Breathlessness may be more on lying down position, patient may feel better. The breathlessness may be more on activity, relieving at rest. It may be of multiple issues. It may be associated with cough, fever, etc. Whatever the cause has to be checked. Third, palpitation. Palpitation means commonly मुझे अपनी धड़कन महसूस हो रही है. This is what a common complaint is. Many of the time it may be nothing because it can happen even if we are under too much pressure, too much stress, less sleep, etc. However, sometimes it may be a clue to your cardiac problem. That means the heart rate may be very low or it may be very high. That is how you may feel the extra palpitation. Sometimes the problem may not be because of your heart rate, but may be a problem because of blockages in the heart or some of the valves which are getting affected. Sometimes the problem may be because of multiple issues, but has to be checked. Number 4, giddiness या चक्कर आना, कभी कभार अचानक से बेहोश होना. Now this is a very alarming sign. It may be either because of just a reflex. For example, आपने सुना होगा या मूवी में देखा होगा, you see a blood and then you faint. That is because of a reflex, which is not very dangerous. However, sometimes the problem may be because of heart. जब heart rate irregular हो जाना, या if there is blockages or if the valves are very tight, if there are blockages in your blood vessels which goes to your brain. These are the common causes or the dangerous causes for the giddiness and has to be checked. Number 5, swelling all over the body. Now, swelling all over the body is not normal. It may be because of heart, liver, kidney, less hemoglobin. But however, whatever the disease has to be checked by, you have to evaluate all the 3 things and make sure that whatever the problem has to be rectified, the cause has to be understood and the treatment has to be initiated accordingly. Sometimes very vaguely we come across patients saying मुझे सिर्फ घबराहट होता है. That घबराहट 60 to 80% of the time may mean nothing. However, if the patient has come to you referred by other doctors, sometimes this घबराहट may be a clue to multiple issues, and thorough investigations by clinical history taking, ECG, echo, stress test gives you a clue to a lot of the things. Be aware if you are affected by any of these problems or any of these symptoms, please visit the nearby cardiologist. Thank you.